Sure exactly one cruise ship or not, but it looks like a cruise ship. Fish is off the top of the water right there, see? Dropping back all fish. So a little, as I said, it's the first time I'm seeing a cruise ship out in this section of Jamaica. Now I see it. Yep, that's so. Out of Colonel Cove, Marine Bay. Yeah, man can see fire station also. And I see something out to sea right here, so it look like one cruise ship. Yeah man, first one I see one pass St.Thomas. I'm not sure exactly one cruise ship or not, but it looks like a cruise ship. Out to sea. First one in my life I see one of them here pass out here, so in a St. Thomas. Now I see like cargo ships and them something they will carry, you know, goods and stuff, but never think me that ever see one cruise ship pass here, so I wonder where to go. Probably if we check on the marine app, we track ships and stuff to see exactly where. Yeah man, so the ship name is Ambience, and you can see it's coming from Montego Bay and it's heading to Great Britain, Tilbury. Yeah man, Tilbury in Great Britain. Other person see it. And here's some additional info. You can pause it when you're ready and look on the different info to see what's the status on the ship. I check on the marine app and see, and then we're gonna know which one. Yeah man, so I look on the marine app. It's the ship near Ambience. It's coming from Montego Bay. I never see a cruise ship coming around from this side before. Yeah man, it's going to another Caribbean country. Yeah man, so I just checked the app a while ago, the marine app. I'm gonna show you. It's a cruise ship coming from Montego Bay and going to the United Kingdom. Yeah man, I took this route. Yeah, so we're in Marine Bay, so that's where I'm seeing it currently. It's going towards Maran Point. Yeah man, as I said, it's the first time I'm seeing a cruise ship passing St. Thomas and actually this close. Yeah man, never think could happen to see this out here, so it's coming from Kingston side though. Montego Bay would be somewhere out in that part, Kingston down there, and like it come around the edge of the country right out here. And this begs the question, if cruise ships can pass out here, will they redevelop Bowden Harbour into a cruise ship harbour? Yeah man, because Bowden Harbour is big enough to facilitate that. As I said, it's the first time I'm seeing a cruise ship out in this section of Jamaica. Now I see it out in Montego Bay and out at Ocherius. Yeah man. Nice. Alright, so I leave on here. Wish we could have fly the drone go out there, but my drone don't have that range. Can go 6 miles up, but that is more than 6 miles. Come on. Once I gone left where now. Like it there out towards Bowden. Come on, I searched the app a while ago with some information about it. I'm gonna show up on the screen. You see? There. Marine Bay, leaving Marine Bay, going back towards the other side where bird them will catch fish. Probably if I go around more you can see them dive on something in the water. There's quite a few of them down here, so I guess a bait ball is down here. Yeah, see them there? All over them. Yeah man, but to the cruise ship there is take your time go away, out of sight. And there is bait balls just dirt, flare up and whole heap of birds. But you're about to die though, they're on 5%. But still I try to show a little bit of what happened out here, so out of Mark Bay. Alright. I'm probably end the video here, so as my battery dead, we can't really see my screen. So I just leave it right there. So I use my drone and get a view from above, but because there are so many birds out here, they don't really want to do that because they will try and attack it. And they don't really want to disrupt their feeding. I can see some of them catching fishes off the top of the water right there, see? Dropping back all fish. So if you have a fishing line out here for now, boy oh boy, you gotta catch fish, even bigger fish than usual. I probably get one of friend of mine know throw a line and come back like in a couple minutes time. If I do that, that video would be on my second channel, not my main channel. So then diving down here, so I guess there's a lot of fish down here currently as they're having a feeding frenzy. Alright, so leave one all here. So that being said, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more, and click the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Yeah man, stay tuned and thanks for watching.